Good morning, students. Today we will learn about flow control. Flow control in C++ language. So, what is flow control? C++ is a programming language. Here, mainly we will be dealing with programs. Alright. Say a programmer has written a program. That program can be of multiple lines. In those multiple lines, some codes might be such that iteration of those codes of those lines of those statements are taking place a number of times. कोई एक पार्ट है कोड का जो बार बार एग्जीक्यूट करना है उसे. दिस मे बी द केस फर्स्ट. सेकेंडली देयर मे बी द केस दैट द प्रोग्राम हैज टू टेक सम डिसीजन मेकिंग भी पार्ट हो सकता है प्रोग्राम में. थर्डली देयर आर सच केसेस दैट द प्रोग्राम गेट्स डिवाइडेड इनटू टू, बाइफरकेटेड इनटू टू. सब पार्ट बन जाएगा, अलग अलग बन जाएगा. ओके. इवन दैट class and object concept was explained to you in earlier videos, and there is a function which will return value. वो भी possible है entire program में. These are the possibilities that a function is there which will be returning value and you have to accept the value from that. A particular block of statement will be executing multiple number of times. Then decision making has to be taken place. The program has to decide, and then which block to be executed, the program will execute then itself while being executed. And then the bifurcation. Okay, so all these are only possible because of the flow control. Flow control एक ऐसा features एक दिया हुआ है C++ के द्वारा कि all these are possible. All right. So what I told, iteration. A programmer has written a program which has a certain block of statement to be executed number of times. That is called iteration. Then decision making. Then bifurcation. Bifurcation मतलब दो ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. टू और मोर ब्रांचेस में अलग हो जाएगा, पार्ट हो जाएगा, पार्ट बन जाएगा. ऑलराइट. Program gets parted, divided. So iteration is possible with the help of some statements. That means a block of statement to be executed number of times. That is possible with the help of if statement, if else block. All right. Then if multiple if. You are going to a battlefield. Just now Durga Puja is being completed. Goddess Durga has 10 hands, and in all the 10 hands there are 10 different weapons to kill the devil. Alright. So these are the weapons. First weapon, second weapon, third weapon. Now the exam is the battlefield. When you will be in the battlefield, you are the warrior, okay? You are the fighter who will fight in the battle, and you are equipped with all this. Equipped. EQUIPPED. You are equipped with all the weapons. Now it is your choice which equipment, that is which weapon you will be using to kill your enemy. That is kill your enemy मतलब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को खत्म करना है, अच्छा मार्क्स लाना है. That is killing the enemy. Alright. So that is up to you. While writing a program, that is up to you which weapon you will be using, which will suit best, which you are experty enough, and which you will be using. If else, multiple if को और एक बोला जाता है switch case. Multiple if is replaced by switch case. In Viva at times it is asked, multiple if use ना करके how can you run the same program without using multiple if? Multiple if can be substituted with switch case. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and lastly if else, if else. There are syntaxes, there are programs for all this. in your textbook, that is Sumita Arora, S. Arora. There you can see the program examples. You can see these programs. So all this has syntax of their own. जैसे कि if condition then statement. if क्या करेगा, if एक condition को check करेगा, if this condition is met with, then this particular block of statement will be executed inside your C++ program. Alright, इसका syntax क्या है? If this is the syntax, this is the syntax of the first one. Alright, first one. I mean the syntax for if else I am writing. This is the syntax for the first one, first if. Alright, इतना हो गया, done. अभी syntax for the second one. If condition statement, then else. So statement 1, else statement 2. This is how it works. So there are syntax for all these that is clearly mentioned in the S. Arora book. You can go through it and you will be you can easily understand those. इतना tough कुछ नहीं है. Syntax भी I have explained. Now I am coming to the decision making part. Now decision making. In decision making there are loops. Okay, here loops are there. So loops has different types, that is do while, okay, then for loop, then while loop, all this. It's a, all these are weapons. You are the fighter who is fighting the battle. Now it is your wish which weapon you will be using. Bow and arrow, gun, grenade, क्या यूज करना है अपना बात. प्रोग्राम करते वक्त it is not mandatory that a program will be executed using one type only. There are multiple number of types. There are various number of types. Alright. So it is the choice of the programmer. It is the idea of the programmer. और आइडिया कैसे मिला? उसका एक्सपर्टीज से मिला. एक्सपर्ट बन गया, उसको समझ में आया, उसने पढ़ाई किया कि वो कौन सा यूज करेगा. So there are syntax for all this. That means what? So first one I am writing while condition, then the block of statement will be executed. Statement कौन सा ब्लॉक को execute करना है, that is comes under state. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होता है do while में, do statement while condition. So this is the syntax for do while. Do while का syntax. Alright, do while का syntax. So lastly for loop, I am giving the syntax for loop. For loop में तीन पार्ट होता है, एक पार्ट, दूसरा पार्ट, तीसरा पार्ट. Alright, so this part is the initialization part. Init, initialization part. This is the condition checking part. Condition checking part. This is the increment part. Increment. So say you are asked to print first 10 natural numbers. So first 10 natural numbers, initialize your value, initialize the value as 0. एक वेरिएबल लेंगे i इक्वल i, इंटीजर टाइप वेरिएबल i को इनिशियलाइज करेंगे यार, i इक्वल टू 0, i इक्वल टू 0. कितना तक बोला है? फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स. तो i लेस देन 11. जब तक 11 ना मिले तब तक एग्जीक्यूट होगा. i प्लस प्लस, i 0 को प्रिंट कर दिया, सी आउट कर दिया, फिर प्लस प्लस पे आया, 0 को इंक्रीमेंट करके 1 मिला, 1 यहाँ पे चेक किया कि 1 i 1 is now 1 is less than 11 or not. Yes, it is less. Then it will print 1. सिमिलरली फिर से इंक्रीमेंट किया, ये अभी बना 2, 2 को चेक करेगा 11 से छोटा है कि नहीं, यस छोटा है, प्रिंट करेगा 2। सिमिलरली इंक्रीमेंट 3 4 5 6, यहाँ पे चेक कर रहा है 7 8 9 10 10 10 इज लेस देन 11, हाँ प्रिंट कर दिया। फिर से इंक्रीमेंट किया 10 बन गया, अभी इंक्रीमेंट करने के बाद 11 नॉट लेस देन 11 फॉल्स, यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम स्टॉप हो जाएगा। राइट, सो दिस हाउ डिसीजन मेकिंग वर्क्स। Lastly, we will be knowing about bifurcation. So bifurcation और नहीं तो jump statement, उसे jump statement भी बोला जाता है. So this flow control is very much important. Alright, so don't skip this class. Lastly, we have jump statement. Jump statement में क्या क्या आएगा? Simple सा है. उसमें continue आता है, break आता है और go to आता है. A certain block of statement is executed in the program. You want from this block, if the control should go to the another block, then you will be using go to. अभी when you want that एक block में control है, control उस block को छोड़ के चला है. Even if the condition is not satisfied, you want the control to leave that block, then you will be using the break statement. Alright, break statement generally gets used in switch. Multiple if था, multiple से the examiner, not examiner, the external teacher who is taking your viva has asked कि multiple if use ना करके आप कैसे कर सकते हैं प्रोग्राम को. तो बिना multiple if use किए we can rewrite the same program using switch case. Alright, मल्टीपल इफ एक कंडीशन दे दिया, हाथ बांध दिया, बोला है नहीं यूज करना है मल्टीपल इफ, ठीक है नहीं यूज करेंगे, तो उसकी जगह क्या यूज करेंगे, स्विच केस को यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, दिस इज द वन. बाकी सब में ऐसा नहीं होता है, बाकी वेपन्स के साथ ऐसा नहीं होता, सिर्फ ये वेपन के साथ ऐसा है. से ये बायोलॉजिकल वेपन है, इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल टू यूज बायोलॉजिकल वेपन इन एनी वॉर. बायोलॉजिकल वेपन को हाथ बांध दिया, ऐसे समझाने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. तो बोला biological weapon, don't use the biological weapon, use something else. Then what you will use? You will use switch case. In switch case, the break statement का इस्तेमाल है. Switch case will not work without the break statement. For your simplicity, you can go and you can watch in S Arora examples. मैं बना सकता हूँ, दे सकता हूँ, तो ऐसे number of videos will be going on and on. खत्म नहीं होगा. Okay. So it is advisable you watch in S Arora book. If you found anything difficult, you can text me in the Google Classroom or in the WhatsApp group. मल्टीपल इफ को बिना यूज करे क्या कर सकते हैं, स्विच केस यूज कर सकते हैं. स्विच केस में ब्रेक का इस्तेमाल होता है. ब्रेक में क्या होता है, यू वांट दैट द ब्लॉक ऑफ दैट अ कंट्रोल लीव्स द पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक ऑफ स्टेटमेंट विदाउट व्हेन द कंडीशन इज नॉट मेट विथ. एक ब्लॉक ऑफ स्टेटमेंट है, उसमें कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ है, फिर भी हम चाहते हैं कंट्रोल उससे निकल आए, देन विल बी यूजिंग ब्रेक करके चलाओ भाई, वहां से कंडीशन नहीं मिल रहा है वहां. Lastly, continue. This comes under the jump step. With this, the flow control in C++ gets completed. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.